This hidden gem in Meghalaya will blow your mind. The water is so crystal clear and blue, you'll instantly fall in love. Do check out my description box for Meghalaya itinerary. Hey guys, it's already day 3 in Meghalaya and I can't believe it. This place is so magical. Like, I don't think so. मुझे इधर से जाने का मन करने वाला है. I really want to stay here for at least a month because it's that beautiful, that clean, and the people here are so good. So I'm wearing this cute white dress today and I'm excited for today as well. I guess I'm excited for all the days because it's so beautiful and most of the places are waterfalls. So, but I still can't believe this is so amazing and I've never explored this place before. I came so late, but I'm grateful that I'm here. Also, all the places are a little bit risky, but if you can do treks, then it'll be easy for you. But they have the option to like go for other things, like you can go by jeep and everything, so even that is there. I know I haven't like sat down and talked with you guys, but on this trip I really want to like show you guys everything and I want to give you my information so I can like add voiceover to everything, because every day it's a trek, so it's like impossible to like talk with the camera and trek. So I'm going to just show you guys everything and provide all the information which I have. So we are like checking out from our hotel today. So we were here for 2 days. The hotel is Tasta and I love it. You should definitely visit if you're coming here. I'll provide all the information in the description box. Also, you can like comment on whatever questions you get so I can like help you guys with it. Also, I can help you out with guide because the one we are traveling with, he's amazing. He knows everything and he's really kind to us, so I can help you guys with that. So I'm just very excited for today. Let's see how everything goes. And thank God we came in Feb because it's not crowded. It's a little off season, so we are like able to experience the place really like nicely, because crowd hota hai to honestly itna nahi maza aata hai. Also, excuse my voice, I just woke up, got ready because we have to check out and head to another place, so excuse my voice, but I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm so excited to take you guys with me. So let's explore today. It's day 3 in Meghalaya. So after getting ready, we went for having breakfast in the hotel itself. Also, the food over here, it's really nice. The breakfast was from the hotel itself and it tasted really yummy. If you come across Kelriyat, you can definitely visit this place and stay here because we really had a good experience staying here. Explored few markets जो hotel के पास में थे. I wanted to get some good shoes. We were heading towards Labon Falls, which is also known as Blue Lagoon. So we were staying in Kelriyat. तो वहाँ से it was about 25 kilometers, which took us around 1 hour to reach the place. फिर वहाँ we parked our car and we shifted to the truck. Because obviously अभी वापस trekking होने वाली थी, तो we can't take our car to the place, so we had to shift to this truck kind of situation where my friend and my guide was standing and I was sitting with the driver. So यहाँ से like once you leave from the base point, the roads are like very off road, मतलब काफ़ी mountains grass से you have to go, and it takes around 30 to 40 minutes to reach the waterfall. So once you reach the point, like you can park your truck or the vehicle you're traveling in, and वहाँ से फिर एक trek है which is about again 30 to 40 minutes का trek. Also, like while trekking, the main thing you need is like good shoes and clothes. You can wear whatever you're comfortable in. ये किधर गया? आ जाओ. Come. कुछ दिख नहीं रहा, but let's go. ये शूज में अच्छा लग रहा है,
बट इनका एक्सेंट है ना, नहीं समझ आता.
क्या?
मुझे कभी कभी एलेक्स की बात भी 2 बार में समझ आती है.
ब्रो सेम. हिंदी बोलो. हिंदी बोलो थोड़ा.
तो क्या रंग का मतलब क्या है?
अब
बोलो उधर है.
उधर है, देखो
क्या है? हाँ, डैम बहुत नीचे है वैसे ये.
नीचे है तो नीचे है. अभी सीधी.
क्या अभी?
लैडर्स
सीढ़ी.
वो किधर गया?
क्या लाइन नीचे से जो है वो ऐसा ही ट्रैक था क्या? इतना डिफिकल्टी वाला?
रुक, और नहीं
वो लोग
वो आपको अभी पटाना है ना.
सपोर्ट ले लो.
क्या? ओके, सो टू बी ऑनेस्ट ट्रैक बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं था, बट यू जस्ट हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज यहाँ पे स्टेप्स नहीं है. इट्स लाइक बाम्बू से बना हुआ है सब स्टेप्स, तो यू हैव टू टेक लाइक सपोर्ट, कैच द ग्रिप एंड go carefully downside. So just be careful, and I feel it's like not that difficult trek.
वीडियो ले रहे हो क्या? अच्छा,
फुल मत लो, इतना स्पेस ही नहीं है. छोटे छोटे कट्स लेने का सब. दो तुम लोगों का, तुम्हारा भी लेती हूँ. चलो. I can see. Let's go. देखो. ये डीप नहीं है ना ज़्यादा? Let's go. I saw so many reels about this place and I was so curious कि ये पानी का color is like really that blue or it's just like you know fake. But oh my god, जब मैंने ये देखा, I was not able to believe, and it was really so pretty and so beautiful. Like it was a pure hidden gem, like काफ़ी जंगल एंड इन बिटवीन द ट्रीज ये ऐसे केव टाइप था. उसमें देयर वाज दिस नेचुरल मिनरल वाटर विच इज़ सो ब्लू. आई मीन आई वाज नॉट एबल टू लाइक रियली थिंक दैट दिस इज़ रियल. If you're coming to Meghalaya, ये place तो miss मत करना because it's really very unique. Like this type of color water, I don't think so कहीं देखने को मिलता है, like in India especially. So I don't think you should miss it. Do visit this place. It's not that hard to difficult to get here, just have a really good guide with yourself and you will reach here safely. Also, it's not that risky or dangerous. You can easily be here. ओके सो मुझे तो लाइक काफ़ी सेंटर में जाके फ़ोटोज़ लेना था. सो आई was carrying this bamboo sticks with me because the ground was really very slippery, so I was not able to like walk without the sticks. So just be careful if you're like going at the center. We relaxed here for quite a lot of time because we felt like really very peaceful. It was like hidden gem, काफ़ी like सबसे दूर. So this place is like top places to visit in Meghalaya for sure. Also the water is really good. It's mineral water. You will feel the ground is slippery, but मुझे कोई like infections or skin related issues नहीं हुए because of the water, because it's really natural, so don't worry about that. Laboon Falls, also known as the Blue Lagoon, is located in the East Chantia Hills district of Meghalaya, India, specifically near Sakhen village and about 100 kilometers from Shillong.
Go. Because my mind was somewhere else.
Where?
I don't know. Can you see? Scan. Scan kar do.
Done.
To join.
It seems like you're posting a photo.
No.
Then nicely, no?
How was like this?
Yeah, just like,
Oh my god.
like this. Yeah. Relax, na.
A little bit of force.
कैसे? Oh wow. But how?
But I don't know. कभी मेरे से हुआ ही नहीं.
कैसे किया? After chilling for a while, we met more people over there. Like जो ये falls के पास में रहता था, they also came there because they were friends with the guide. So we all were like enjoying and chilling with the stones over there. तो ऐसे ही बस खेल रहे थे, and this is like the core moment for me because I'll always remember this, like having a bonfire in front of this beautiful water and like just chilling with the beautiful people. Yes. एकदम. Do check out my description box for full itinerary of Meghalaya.
चलो Alex, चलो.
But the bonfire was really needed because थोड़ी तो ठंड थी वहाँ. So we felt really nice with the bonfire, and we were just chilling and talking with each other. And people in Meghalaya are really very sweet. Like जिससे भी I have came across and spoke with, they are like really very sweet people. So we had like a really great time with the people of Meghalaya.
वहाँ खाएगा पेट.
और ऊपर ही नहीं चल रही. अरे यार ऐसे क्यों होता है? हटे हटे.
Yes. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
गया ना?
What is the more power? More power.
That this stone will flow. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, nice.
Damn. क्या cool लग रहा है. Wow. After having a nice time, it was time to get back up, and this was where the things went like a little bit challenging because नीचे आते वक्त इतना कुछ feel नहीं होता, but while going up, it's so challenging. So yeah, it was like a challenging for a bit, but we reached in like 30-40 minutes. And just be careful while going upstairs because it's a little risky, especially to get the support and everything.
All the best. Jara foil.
Kau suka जब तू खाना खत्म हो गया ना पहुंचेगा उधर
बोल
Ang sao ni lus ni Tarik mata je Sampai dinunggu semai
So the people we were chilling with were kind enough to take us to their home just to have some food. So the house was so pretty and he had like so many pets. I loved
He's so small. Hello.
chilling with them. Like I love animals, so it was such a good time
Oh my god.
with the dogs.
So nice. Hi.
Come
Bay. Father, dad. No. Mom we call Bay in our language.
Bay.
Bay. Father we call Pa.
Hi.
Very good.
It is so nice banana.
It is? अभी कैसे मांगू?
Enjoy.
Video
I was really craving for Maggie, so we had some yum Maggie, and even like in tea or coffee, like red tea is quite famous here, so I was tasting it for the first time and it really tasted nice, so you can like have it here if you haven't already. Bye. That's it for today. We explored this waterfall and we were really happy, and we were heading back to another hotel to stay in. Stay tuned for my next vlog where we catch the most beautiful sunset and a beautiful waterfall where we witness a beautiful rainbow.